Hey y'all, it's Nita and I'm back today with another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how I achieve the perfect smoky eye. Y'all, this is super duper simple to achieve, very beginner friendly, and perfect for the upcoming Valentine's Day season or just in general. You can never go wrong with a smoky eye. So if you want to see how I did it, stay tuned and keep on watching. Oh, and while you're at it, please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you can get a notification when I have an upload. Now let's get into the tutorial. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is start, when you're doing your smoky eye, the most important thing to get that really dark smoky lid is to apply a black base. I'm using the e.l.f. Cream Gel Liner, and I'm going to use a small, dense, fluffy brush. If I can find one. Like a so, just, you know, whatever. Just using this one. And I'm gonna swirl that in there. And you're gonna apply that to your entire lid. And like I said, this step just really helps to create a dark base for your black eyeshadow. You can also use a black base if you're doing brown eyeshadow or gray eyeshadow. This tip works for anything that you're doing and you want to make sure that the darker shades are intensified. It could be black, it could be under purple, it could be under gray. Just whatever you're doing, you can use this black base underneath that eyeshadow and it'll give it a little bit more pop. So once we've got that on, I'm just going to blend it out. And I'm going to use a different brush. Hold on, I'm just going to make sure these are even. Now y'all, my eye shape is not even. One of my eyes are shaped different than the other. So this one is a little bit more hooded than this one. So it doesn't look the same because my eyes are not the same. But anyway, I'm going to take a different fluffy brush. The same, like a small blending brush. And I'm going to blend out those edges. Alright, so now that we're blended nicely there. The next thing we're going to do is do a transition shade in our crease. And for that, I'm going to use, actually, this is a contour shade out of my Black Radiance palette. I'm sorry that it's dirty. I wasted some setting powder on it. So I'm going to use the contour shade out of this palette. But you can use any dark, warm, any warm chocolate brown shade in your crease will work. You can also use, I've used like plum shades in my crease with this smoky eye, orange, any of those will work, but we're keeping it basic today. So I'm just gonna pat that on and pop it in my crease. Okay, so once we've got that done, we're already almost done with this eye, y'all. It's super duper easy. Okay, so next we're going to use a black eyeshadow. And again, y'all, I wasted that RCMA no color powder everywhere, so a lot of my palettes that was sitting on my dresser got that white powder on it. I'm sorry, but we're going to use this black eyeshadow, and you can use, you know, any black eyeshadow you have will work. You just want something that is really, really dark, and this eyeshadow, this black, is really, really dark. So I'm gonna take this brush, and this is another, it's a really dense, fluffy brush. What I mean by dense, like it's short and it's like hard to, it's not like super movable. I hope that makes sense. Anyhow, I'm gonna take the black and we're gonna pat that onto our eyelid. And again, if you wanted to do like a brown smoky eye, you could do brown, you could do purple, you can do whatever. Like, you can use these steps to create all kinds of different smoky eyes. You would just change out the colors that you use, and I mean, like I said, it's super duper easy and simple. All right. So now we're gonna take that same fluffy brush that we used to blend out the black cream. I'm gonna use that in my crease to blend this out. Actually, I take it back. I'm gonna use that fluffy brush that I had when I used the chocolate shade in my crease. I'm gonna use that to blend this out. And a lot of the key to this, like I said, it's very simple. The key is just blending. I'm only going to use maybe one more eyeshadow color, like as my highlight, my brow bone highlight. And I mean, we've pretty much done what we're going to do on the eye. It's just a matter of blending and making sure that everything is seamless. So just using windshield wiper motions, and I'm also using the very tip of the brush. Like, I'm not doing this. It's ever so slightly, just using the tip of the brush to blend out the edges. So okay, now that my black is all blended out, I feel like my crease color, that chocolate, I feel like it got kind of lost. So I'm going to reapply that above, I'm going to reapply that warm chocolate shade in my crease right above this area. And if I feel like I have a hard line right here like I do, I actually just kind of use my finger and just blend that right in there. Yeah, that's much better. Uh-oh. Lord Jesus. All right, so this is how we're looking, and let's do a little bit more here. All right, so now we're going to pop something in the crease. I'm sorry, not in the crease. We're going to highlight our brow bone. And I'm going to use this color Unbothered out of the Makeup Shayla palette. It's just a nice, like a champagne shimmery type of color. I'm going to use that. You can use, you know, whatever you have. And I'm not really big on brow bone highlights, but I do think with this look, it'll make it pop. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face off camera and come back to you guys with the final look. All right, you guys, so here is the final look. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom back in and show you guys the only few things I did do off camera. I thought I was recording this part, but I wasn't, sorry. So I did add some black eyeliner to my waterline. I didn't line the top. I took a small dense brush like this, and I took the same chocolate shade that I used up here, and I smoked out my bottom liner area, like right there. And then I took the color that I used for my highlight and I popped that in my inner tear duct area here with the same brush. That's it. Popped on lashes, did my foundation and my nude lip, and that was it. So y'all didn't miss much. I'm sorry, I thought I was recording it, but I didn't. All right, so this is the final look. I love, love, love Smokey. Like I said, if you want some drama and you're short on time, Valentine's Day is coming up, you're going out with the girls, I mean, if you just want to be extra at work or whatever on a random Tuesday, whatever. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Like I said, it's super duper simple and easy. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and let me know in the comments if you decide to try it and if you learned something. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.